What do you mean by postural drainage? Ma'am, when we make a patient lie on his left side, so what will happen? The drainage of the secretions will happen from the right bronchial tree towards the carina. From the right bronchial tree towards the carina. So this will help in stimulating cough reflux and the sputum is brought out. So this is called as postural drainage. So this is postural drainage. Make the person lie on the left side, right? And then what will happen? All the secretions from the bronchial tree will flow towards the carina because of gravity. And then this will stimulate a cough reflux in this person and the sputum is brought out. So this is nothing but postural drainage.